The Physical Elements, Part 4. Matter, physical element, basic influences. Those who are strong in this element prefer to use physical items. An example would be a calculator rather than thinking or asking someone. They prefer physical sensations such as touch, taste, or any of the pleasing sensations. Matter, a basic understanding. First, you have the planet Earth. It's just a planet. It's there and it exists. The meditation is being aware of your body, where your arms, your legs, your toes, your fingers are, and what they're doing. Now, every mass has a gravitational pull to it. This is physics. And you can learn to feel this own gravitational within yourself. You can also feel the Earth's gravitational pull upon you. The planet's internal structure is governed by the mass and the gravitational pull. The huge mass and the gravitational pull cause different temperature variations within the Earth, which cause different types of structure to exist. Now you can learn to feel the insides of your body. Everything can be felt except your nerve endings. And you prove this every time you go into an operating room to give you anesthesia, just so you won't feel them. And the way you feel your body is that you picture your toes first and feel as much as you can. And then as you get more accustomed to it, you add a larger area to it. And finally, you have the planet's magnetic field. And as the planet has a magnetic field, also do you. You can also become aware of your own magnetic field. Space, your basic influences. This is your intellectual inclinations. In other words, they enjoy problem solving. Those who are strong in space also tend to be solitary. They tend to avoid crowds, places where people are. Even when they're in groups, they're never really part of any particular group in question for the most part. Now, space, the basic understandings. You have meditations and the basis for meditations. The basis for the meditations are things that occupy space, but they don't have any weight or matter to them, such as light, sound, smell, wind around you. They exist, but you can walk through them, move through them as if they don't exist. In the meditations, with your sight, you relax your eyes to become slightly unfocused or allow yourself to become aware of everything. Your hearing works the same basic way. Instead of becoming aware of all sights, you become aware of all sounds. And for the smell, you breathe properly, and you can feel the smells. You can smell with your lungs, deep inside, just as you can with your nose. And you can feel the wind as it blows around you. You can feel the temperature changes, the humidity, and everything else that deals with the air around you. Connections, your basic influences. People who are strong here, they require personal interaction or involvement of some sort between people. They rather work with groups rather than individuals. They also require emotional interaction. Connections, basic understanding. First, the moon pulls on the ocean tides. Depending on how full the moon is, or how close it is to the Earth, will change the level of the tide. The human body also has water within it. You can learn to feel the moon's pull upon your body. Lunatics have a strong affiliation with the moon and its pull. The second meditation is the ability to care for someone, to feel anger, love, whatever. This creates a string or a bond between you and whatever you're feeling for. You can learn to fill this feeling up with yourself completely and fully, and also to feel the string that connects you. And the third basis for the meditation is that the water falls from the sky, it collects in the oceans, evaporates to the sky, and completes the cycle. You can learn to feel the water or liquid as you take it in, and it flows through the body, and then it leaves your body in various ways. Process, the basic influences. People who are strong here tend to be moving more than anything else. They require physical action. Quite often they have a difficulty in sitting still. A process, a basic understanding. First, let's look at the campfire. You need fuel to burn, which is wood, and this wood, through the process of fire, creates ash, heat, light, and smoke. Ash, heat, light, and smoke, they aren't the fire. They're effects of the fire, which is a process that consumes and changes the wood. Now you can feel this basic within you as well. If you combine meditations for breathing with the meditations for matter, you can feel the vibrations within yourself. The stronger your breath is, the faster your breath will increase the vibrations. Electricity requires a complete circuit. If you think about the magnetic field within you, you can feel the energy flow within you. Many religions have the idea that the energy flows from inside, from deep inside, and goes up to your head. But that doesn't complete the circuit. Completing the circuit is when the energy flows down around your outside like a waterfall. That completes the circuit.